Have you ever pondered the mysteries held by the unexplored depths of our oceans, where darkness reigns and yet life illuminates? The deep sea is a world apart, steeped in an eternal twilight, chilled by frigid temperatures and squeezed under immense pressure. Yet, this seemingly inhospitable environment is teeming with life. Within this abyss lies a dazzling array of creatures, their bodies adorned with their own living lights. Yes, we're talking about bioluminescent organisms. These radiant beings range from the microscopic, such as the enchanting plankton, to the truly awe-inspiring, like the colossal squids. Each one is a tiny beacon, a spark of life in the endless night of the deep. Against all odds, life in the deep sea has not only survived, but has evolved in the most extraordinary ways. The deep sea is not just a place of darkness, but a realm of living lights, a testament to life's incredible adaptability. So, how do these fascinating creatures produce their own light in an environment where the sun's rays don't penetrate? Well, it all boils down to an incredible natural phenomenon called bioluminescence. At its core, bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that happens within the organism. This reaction involves three key players: luciferin, luciferase, and good old oxygen. The luciferin, a light-emitting compound, reacts with oxygen under the influence of the enzyme luciferase. This reaction releases energy in the form of light. The light can be a variety of colors, from the deep blue to the vibrant green, depending on the specific type of luciferin involved and other factors. But what about the different colors we see in bioluminescence? The color of the light produced can vary based on several factors. One of the primary influences is the depth at which the creature lives. Blue and green light wavelengths travel furthest in water, so many deep-sea creatures glow in these colors. However, some organisms living in shallower waters where red light can still penetrate are known to produce red or orange light. And it's not just about the depth. The color can also be influenced by the specific species of the creature, the pH level of their environment, and even the temperature of the water. In the darkest depths, these creatures create their own stars, a spectacle of survival and communication. Now you know how they light up, but why do they? What's the purpose of this glowing spectacle? Bioluminescence, this beautiful shimmering light show, is not just for our viewing pleasure. It's a survival tool, a lifeline for creatures of the deep. One of the primary reasons for this glow is to attract prey. Imagine being a tiny organism, lost in the vast inky darkness of the deep sea. Suddenly, a soft light appears, inviting, enchanting. You swim closer, only to be snapped up by a hungry anglerfish, its luminescent lure having served its purpose. But the glow can also serve as a deterrent, a scare tactic to ward off potential predators. Picture a squid quietly maneuvering through the dark waters. Suddenly, it finds itself in the jaws of a larger predator. In a flash, it releases a cloud of luminescent ink, startling the predator and providing the squid with a chance to escape. And then there's communication. In the silent world of the deep sea, light is a language. For instance, some species of squid and shrimp use patterns of light to identify members of their own species, to find a mate, or even to coordinate hunting strategies. Bioluminescence, an enchanting adaptation, is not just about the spectacle of light, but a survival strategy, a language in the deep sea's silent world. So the next time you marvel at the radiant displays of these creatures, remember the vital role this glow plays in their survival.